Yahtzee, one of the most well-known family games ever, is now available as a ticket redemption game. Players pop the balls to roll the dice and then select the dice to hold and pop again to create the best winning combination. Match all 5 dice for a Yahtzee and win the progressive bonus. Press the pop button to pop the balls and roll the dice. Each ball corresponds to a die on the 42-inch vertical monitor. Select the dice you want to keep by pressing the hold buttons. Press the pop button again to roll the dice and try to improve your win. All winners are awarded the ticket values shown in the lower section. Match all 5 dice for a Yahtzee and win progressive bonus. Just like real Yahtzee, players can play for the upper score bonus. Each time you play, the total point value of the dice is recorded in the upper section. Score the required number of points in 5 games and win the score bonus. Match the most of your Yahtzee games by banking multiple units with Linked Progressive Bonus Yahtzee, a must for every location.